Let it be released right now in the name of Jesus. If you have anybody in your house that is having any mental health, any mental issues, Father, peace. I speak peace in the name of Jesus. 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 Father, supernatural peace, Lord. Supernatural peace, Lord, in the name of Jesus. Let their mental health be restored in